Hey there, Justin from Blaze. In today's video, let's create a Facebook text post. But before we get started, if you find these tutorials helpful, give them a like. It helps others find our content. From the homepage, click Create New. Select Social Media, then Facebook. This will filter the wizards down. Then locate and select the Facebook text post wizard. And just like with all wizards inside of Blaze, it starts with a text prompt. Here, you're going to want to put in as much information as possible about your post. This will provide the best results. I'm going to go ahead and paste in a prompt about my coffee shop, Urban Roasters, and our approach to sustainable and ethical sourcing. Once you put in your prompt, click Have Blaze autofill the rest. Now we just need to review the choices that Blaze made for us and tweak them if necessary. Starting off with the name, this looks good to me, but we could edit it if we wanted. Same with the project. If you wanted to change your project, you would just click it from the drop-down menu and select something else. Here we can select if we want to include emojis. I'm going to go ahead and leave that on, turn it on or off for your case. And then we're going to jump down to keywords. Here you can add more, remove any that don't work, and these all look good to me. Next, we can adjust the length of the post as well. I think 10 to 25 words works for me, but go ahead and adjust it up or down to best suit your post needs. Now we're going to select a brand voice. Brand voice is what lets Blaze write content that sounds just like you spent hours writing it yourself. They just take a few minutes to set up, so if you haven't already created one, I highly recommend you do it. If you don't want to use a brand voice, that's okay. You could also select up to 3 tones instead. If you want Blaze to reference any source material when it authors your post, you could select up to 3 of those as well, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it blank. Also, if you want, you could elect to cross-post to other platforms by checking them right here. I'm going to go ahead and leave this set to Facebook only though. Go ahead and adjust your settings if you need to, and then when you're ready, click Select Images. Next, Blaze is giving us a handful of images that it thinks are relevant to our post content. If you see something you like and you want to include it in your content, go ahead and select it. If you want to upload, select, or have Blaze generate something specific for you, click Add from another source. This brings up the Blaze image workflow. Like I said, this is great if you want to manually search for something out of our stock image library or our GIF library. You could generate something using the Blaze.ai image generator, or you could upload something specific for your post. I'm going to go ahead and select this image of Rebecca sitting at our indoor-outdoor bar. I uploaded it earlier and I think it works for this post. Select whatever works best for your content, and when you're ready, click Generate Post. Now Blaze is taking all of the information in the wizard to generate a handful of post caption ideas for us. These are located down below in the brainstorm and draft section. All of the content in this section can be edited just like you would edit content in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. It's just supercharged by Blaze.ai. Scrolling back up here, I noticed that Blaze chose the first idea for the caption of my post. We can see that it's placed a copy of that text in the post preview section of the document editor. On the left, there is a live text field that we can use to edit and even further refine the text if we want. And then as we do so, notice on the right pane is a preview of how the post will look. Any changes that we make on the left will be reflected in the right. Go ahead and edit and refine your post, and when you're finished, we have a few different options on posting. Click Choose How to Post to explore them. At the top, we have the ability to schedule the post. By clicking that option, selecting a date and a time, and clicking Schedule Post, we'll set up the post to go live on our social media account automatically. Notice the post status goes from draft to auto-scheduled. If you change your mind about when you want it to post, simply click Change Post Date and update the information to reschedule it. Or click Cancel Auto Post to put it back into draft mode. If you want to come back and check on your post later on, you can set a reminder and Blaze will send you an email with a link to jump right back into this post to pick up where you left off. Finally, if you are manually posting your content from Blaze to your social media accounts, you can use the Mark as Posted button to change the status to posted, so you know that you've finished working on this content inside of Blaze. If you want to post right away, just click Schedule to Post Automatically, followed by Post Now, and then just confirm your choice by clicking Post Now. Jumping over to Facebook, we can see that everything came over from Blaze and it looks great. All created in just a few minutes thanks to the power of Blaze. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.